Our lesson 1 is introduction to algebra. So that's introduction to algebra. So in this lesson we're going to cover some basic terms. One of them is variable, which is defined as letter or symbol that stand in place of a number. So symbol that stand in place of a number stands in place of a number. For example, we can say x plus 9 is equal to 10. So x here, the letter, that x is equal to 1 because 1 plus 9 will give us 10. We, instead of using a letter, we can use a symbol. As we can use a triangle as a symbol. So plus 5 is equal to 7. So yes, you guessed it right. Our symbol is equal to 2. So a variable is a letter or symbol that is stand in place of a number. So you can have as many letters as English alphabet. So X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D up to 26. Those letters can be your variables. You can have any symbol that you can come up with to represent a number. Variable, one thing about them, they change. They change with time, with situations. So in some situation, x might be something different. So x minus 5 is equal to 24. So in this situation, x is equal to 29, because 29 minus 5 would give us 24. Alright, so that is one of the important terms that we should know in algebra. Alright, so let's move to the next one. Other thing that we're going to be looking at is algebraic expression. So algebraic expression is a statement that contains symbols or variables, contains variables and operations. So it's a statement that contains variables and operations. Operation in mathematics are plus, minus, multiplications and division. So those 4 operations in mathematics. So x plus 3 is an expression. So x plus 3. You cannot do anything with that expressions until you know what x is. So, but x plus 3 is an example of expression. Y divided by 3. We can also have 4z. 4z, that is 4 times z. So all of these are our expressions. We have numerical expression. As opposed to algebraic expression. So numerical is composed of numbers, and so this is composed of numbers and operations. So we'll have 5 plus 3. We have 9 minus 5. 4 plus 3, 9 minus 5. These are numerical expressions. They're composed of numbers and operations. Algebraic expressions, on the other hand, are composed of variables and operations, and also numbers. So let me add numbers here, and numbers. Okay. So variables, numbers, and operations. And operations. So algebraic expression does not mean much until we are ready to do something with it. So we're going to spend the next few minutes trying to evaluate algebraic expression. So to evaluate means you find the value. So find the value. So for instance, we can evaluate this expression x minus 9, given that x is equal to 11. So to find the value of the expression, we're going to take 11 and substitute it in for x. So x minus 9 will be 11 minus 9, and that is equal to 2. So this will be the value of algebraic expression x minus 9. Let's try this 2 now. So y plus 4 minus z, given that y is equal to 10 and z is equal to 8. So we're going to come in here. So we put in the numbers for our variables. So the two variables are, here are the variables. Y is a variable and z is a variable. So in place of those variables, we're going to put in 10 and 8. So this is 10 plus 4 minus 8, and 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 minus 8, that is equal to 6. So that will be the value of the second expressions, y plus 4 minus z. Alright, we're going to make it a little bit interesting. Alright, so what about if we had 4x plus 2, and x in this case is equal to 3. So people are likely to make mistakes. So here is a mistake that people are likely to make. Somebody will take x and 3 and put it where x is. So somebody will tell you that when you substitute in 3 for x, you will have 43 plus 2, and that will give you 45. This is not correct, because the confusion is 4x. We need to understand the relationship between 4 and x. The relationship is multiplication. There is invisible multiplication between 4 and x. So 4 times x plus 2, that's what that means. So 4x is 4 times x. So in this case, in algebra, we tend to stay away from using multiplication symbol to distinguish it from x. So we use dot. So 4 dot x, that is 4 times x. So right here it will be 4 times 3 plus 2, and 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2, that is equal to 14. So let's be careful. Let's avoid that mistake. Okay, let's avoid that mistake in evaluating the algebraic expression. All right, number 4. All right, so let's say we have z over 4 plus 9, and z is equal to 12. So z is equal to 12. This symbol here, I think from your previous lessons, the symbol here means division. So z over 4 plus 9, that is z divided by 4 plus 9. So we know the value of z is 12, so our expression will be 12 divided by 4 plus 9. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. So that will be the value of our expression. So to recap, we need to recap our lesson. So we need to know variable is a symbol or letters that is standing for numbers. So for example, we can have a question mark plus 3 is equal to 4, so that question mark would equal to 1. So the question mark is our variable. And then we talk about algebraic expressions. We say it is a mathematical statement that is composed of variable, numbers, and operations. Okay, or in other words, it is a mathematical relation that is composed of variable, numbers, and operation. So given x plus 4 is equal to 12, no equal. So x plus 4, that is our algebraic expression. And the last thing that we talk about today is how you can evaluate your algebraic expression. To evaluate means you find the value. You find the value of an expression. So x plus 4, given that x is equal to 2, this will equal to 2 plus 4, and that is equal to 6. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any question, please let us know and we'll address it in timely manner. Thank you.